Okay, have you noticed that some videos have this heart with a dollar sign in it? Thanks. It's a donation that people could donate to your channel. But for some reason, not all channels have it. I finally got mine as of today. I'm going to show you what happened here. I got an email from Google today. And this is what the email looks like. Say, congrats on your eligibility for super thanks. So the only thing you have to do is turn it on. And once you turn it on, it goes on to all your videos that are eligible. So if you got 1,000 videos, it's going to pop up on those 1,000 videos if it's eligible. So you can just enable it right here, but I'm going to show you how to enable it once you are on YouTube. First, you want to go to your channel. And this right here is the studio view. Say for instance, I'm going to turn my volume down right here. Say for instance, I'm on my channel. And when you're on my channel, you can't see it. Or you can't do it from this page right here. The only thing you have to do, either go to videos, your videos right here, or you could just click back up here and go to YouTube Studio. So I'm going to just click on video. And it'll take me here on YouTube Studio also. But once you get there, the only thing you will have to do is go down to the left hand side where it says monetization. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to go up here and where you see supers. And if you are eligible, you'll see this super thanks. Mine wasn't up there yesterday. I just got the email today. So you will see this super thanks. And the only thing you have to do is click that and turn it on. It'll turn blue. And once you do that, all your videos will be eligible. If they're eligible, they all have that super chat there at the bottom. So let's go to like this video I got right here. It's a video I made about a month ago or so. To be exact, April the 11th, right here on how to tie a tie. You see right here, you have that thanks. So if you guys want to donate to me for helping you tie this tie, I'll show you how to tie this tie. You just hit this thanks. And you can donate 2, 5, 10, 50, or whatever. So I'm going to show you how. I'm going to donate $2 to myself. So you hit buy and send. And if you already got your credit card or ever set up right there, you see I got one set up. You can just hit buy. And if you don't, it'll be some plus signs you can add to it, or you could go to PayPal. But I got mine already set up. I'm going to hit buy. And in a security code on my credit card, I'm going to tell it to remember me. I'm going to hit verify. There you go. You have purchase confirmed. Go to comments. And if you would like to, send a thank you to me, just hit that little button right there and go through the process. It's that simple. Okay, so if I go back to my welding and stuff channel, and I'm gonna find that video where I was tying a tie right here. I click on it. And if I look at my comments, it shows right here. We got a channel called Glenn and Jocelyn Lewis. It tells that that particular person donated $2. So I could send a thanks or whatever, or maybe I want to send them a gift. But it shows on the comments. So that's how it is. All right. Thanks for watching. And again, subscribe to my channel and have a great day.